Hi everyone, I'm Imad Mujawar from Cloud Create. I'm a software engineer at Open Telecom Cloud. Welcome back to our tutorial videos. Today, I'll show you how to deploy your first cloud application on Open Telecom Cloud using the Argo CD template of Cloud Create. It's simple, fast, and requires no deep expert knowledge of OpenStack. By the end, your app will be live, deployed straight from the Git repository. So let's get started. So to begin with, you just need to point to the Git repository which contains the Kubernetes manifests of your cloud application, and then Cloud Create will take care of the rest. It will spin up a fresh cloud container engine, a Kubernetes cluster, then it will set up and use Argo CD to pull your Kubernetes resources and then deploy them to the CC cluster. Once the deployment is complete, your app is live, fully automated and fully operational. Step 1. Login into Cloud Create. Then click on Browse All, select the Argo CD template and quick deploy. This is where we will configure the deployment. Now let's go to the deploy setup. In this tutorial, we will use the sock shop example from Argo CD. You can get the link of the Git repository in our document. In this Git repository, you can see the Kubernetes manifest. They are stored in the directory sock shop. Now let's fill in the details. Step 1 is enter your app name. You can give your application any name. For example, let's use the name Sock Shop and now click Save. In the next step, we have to copy the Git repository URL from our example. Here you can see this Git repository. So now you have to copy the URL. Once you have copied the URL, you need to enter this Git repository URL in the input Argo CD repo. Once you have entered it, click Save. Next step is to enter the path. This is the path to the directory of the Git repository, which contains the Kubernetes manifest that we showed you previously. So in our case, it is sock shop. Now click Save. Also, if you want to reach Argo CD through a public IP, you need to enable access with ELB. Otherwise, leave it unchecked for internal access only. So now once everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on deploy. Behind the scenes, Cloud Create provisions your CC cluster, installs Argo CD and connects it to your Git repository. This process takes about 20 minutes. Once the deployment is successfully completed, we need to verify each part of the setup to make sure everything was created correctly. First, I'll open the CC cluster node. Here, we can see that Terraform has been generated and applied successfully. The cluster was created without any issues. Next, I click on Bastion host. This is the bootstrap node that configures everything inside the CC cluster, including the Kubernetes client, Helm, and Argo CD. Here, we can also see Ansible is executed successfully to set up Kubernetes client and Helm. Now, I'll move to the Argo CD node. Here, we can see that Argo CD is installed using the Helm chat and now is fully operational. Finally, let's check Argo CD app itself. Here we can see Argo CD connects directly to the Git repository and deploy Kubernetes manifest to the CC cluster. So now after the verification of the deployment, let's access the Bastion host. After the initial deployment, you can further control your CC cluster using the Bastion host. To access the Bastion host, you can copy the Bastion host IP address on the deployment output. Now you can SSH to it. On the Bastion host, the Kubernetes client is available and ready to use. For example, you can check this command get nodes. Also, you can use the Helm command. For example, Helm list. After the deployment is completed, now we can access the Argo CD. For this, we have two options. Access Argo CD with the public IP or access the Argo CD without the public IP. On the deployment output page, you will see a value called ELB IP. This is the same ELB that we had enabled on the deploy setup. If you do not want to expose this ELB IP, you can disable it and access the Argo CD via port forwarding. In this tutorial video, we will show you how to access Argo CD with public ELB IP. So now copy this public IP address, paste it into your browser and open it. You will see the Argo CD login page. Use the username admin and the initial domain password that's shown in the deployment output. Remember, this password is displayed in the plain text, so make sure to change it immediately after your first login for security reasons. Once you are in, you can see that your application is synced and released on the CC cluster. Now that Argo CD is up and running, let's check out the example app that we just deployed. For this, you need to first go to the OTC web console. Here, you can see that a new CC cluster is up and running. Next, go to the services. Here you can see again the Kubernetes resources from Git repository have been deployed. Now look for the services called the front-end ELB. Copy the ELB public IP, open your browser and paste it. You should now see the SockShop web application running live. Finally, let's look at how you can customize the Argo CD template in the designer. Click on the Bastion host node. This node is a bootstrap machine that sets up everything inside the CC cluster, including the Kubernetes client, Helm, and Argo CD. You can configure the version of Kubernetes client and Helm if you want to install from the designer. Now click on Argo CD. Here you can see that Argo CD is deployed using the community maintained Helm chat with default values. For production environments, you should customize Argo CD by updating the Helm chat values to match your needs. Finally, if you want to further customize your CC cluster like adding nodes or setting labels, check our documentation for detailed guidance. We will also cover more advanced customization in upcoming tutorial videos. If you do not want to expose Argo CD publicly, you can still access it securely through the Bastion host via port forwarding. Please check our documentation for the instructions in detail. So today we have seen how Cloud Create simplifies deploying applications on Open Telecom Cloud using Argo CD. Once your app is connected from Git, Cloud Create automatically handles the setup, infrastructure, and deployment. With Cloud Create, you can reduce the cloud engineering footprint and accelerate the time to market. Thank you.